In today's video, I will walk you through how to change object color in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Click on New Blank Presentation to open an empty canvas where we can work on the image. After the presentation opens, you can either upload your own image into Canva or search for an object directly inside the Elements section. In this example, we'll use a shoe, but you can follow the same process with many different objects and images. Once you find the object you want to work with, drag it onto the canvas. After placing it on the page, resize it so it's easier to edit and easier to see while working. Next, go to the Edit option and choose Magic Edit. Inside Magic Edit, select the Brush tool for this tutorial. Now start tracing over the shoe using the brush. You do not need to make the selection perfectly accurate. The tool can still work well even if the outline is not exact. If the brush feels too large or too small while tracing the object, you can adjust the brush size to make the selection easier to control. Continue brushing over the area of the shoe until the entire section you want to recolor is selected. After finishing the selection, move down to the prompt box. This is where you type the color you want Canva to apply to the object. For this example, type red because we want to change the shoe into a red color. Once the prompt is ready, click the Generate button. Canva will take a moment to process the edit and create the updated version of the image. Give it a few seconds while the result loads. After the generation finishes, you'll see the shoe changed into the new color. You can then keep the version you like best and continue editing your design if needed. And that is how to change object color using Magic Edit in Canva.